How to create jobs that are executed at a specified time or at specific intervals. What is cron and how to use it? Cron type stands for cron table. Cron itself is named after chronos, the Greek word for time. And cron is the system process which will automatically perform tasks for you according to a set schedule. Cron uses a daemon called crond that reads different configuration files. There is a cron file for each user in the var spool cron crontabs directory, and the etc crontab file is system-wide. How to schedule a job. The most important part of understanding how cron schedules work is knowing the syntax used in the crontab file. The first thing specified is the minute in which the job will be executed. Then comes the hour, the day of month, the month, and the day of week. Lastly comes the command or script that will be executed. For etc crontab there is one more field before the command that specifies the user that should be used for executing the scheduled task. Crontab command can be used to edit, view or remove cron schedules for the current user. Asterisk is placed to specify all values for the corresponding field. Also, a range, a list or an interval could be specified. Logs for the cron task's execution is stored by default in var log syslog. Also, each cron job can have separate log for detailed output. Anacron is another cron daemon available by default in most distributions. It performs periodic command scheduling just like cron, but without assuming that the system is running continuously. With Anacron, jobs can be scheduled daily, weekly and monthly on systems that don't run 24 hours a day. And that's it.
I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under